When it comes to your windows, there are several types of materials to choose from. Aluminum and vinyl are a few of the more common. However, that does not mean they're right for the Arizona heat. Aluminum is a tremendous conductor of heat. That means when the sun hits your aluminum window frames, they get hot, and that heat is transferred inside your home, making it even hotter. As a result, your air conditioner has to work harder to cool your home, and you may see an increase in your monthly energy bill. Vinyl window frames, which are found in a lot of our newer homes here in Arizona, are a terrible window material for our Arizona heat. Vinyl is 100% plastic, and as you can see here, it's a soft and weak material. When it's exposed to our heat, it has a tendency to bow and melt. When that happens, your windows experience seal failure, and that is when you have drafts and dust in your home. Renewal by Andersen's window material is unlike any other, and it's the perfect material for Arizona homes. Our windows are made with Andersen's exclusive composite material called Fibrex. It's 2 times stronger than vinyl and will never bow or melt in our heat. Fibrex also insulates 700 times better than aluminum, so no matter how hot it is on the outside, your home will remain a comfortable temperature. Fibrex is available in 9 beautiful exterior colors and 6 interior colors. You can also do dual tone. I have sandtone on my exterior and white on my interior. Our gliding windows open from both the left and right side, and the tracks the window slides on are designed for easy cleaning. Plus, they'll never pit, rust, or corrode. They feature a dual fin weather stripping that wraps around the sash. We put that on our elevated monorail system, and it prevents any hot air or dust from coming in and your cool air from getting out. One of the features of this window is that you can remove the sash without removing your screen. This makes cleaning the window very easy. When you live in a climate like Arizona's, the window glass is almost as important as the window frame. 113 degrees outside. Comfortable 78 degrees on the interior. It's our high-performance low-E4 smart sunglass, and it comes standard on all of our windows in Arizona. It's 70% more energy efficient than standard dual-pane glass. It has a special coating of silver oxide that repels 95% of the sun's intense ultraviolet rays that heat your home. Our smart sunglass also helps prevent those harmful UV rays from damaging your floors, drapes, and furniture. With this glass, the days of living in a cave are over. You can open up the blinds and let the sunlight in. If you're ready to replace your windows and doors, the first thing we'll do after you call us is come out to your home to perform a free window and door diagnosis. We'll take a look at your current situation and show you where heat and dust might be getting in your home. Then we will precisely measure each window that needs to be replaced so it can be custom built specifically for your home. We have a fantastic triple savings event going on this month. Save 20% on every window, save 20% on every entry door, and save 20% on every patio door. That's with no money down, no payments, and no interest for an entire year. Call 480-877-1300 or visit our website, myazwindow.com, to schedule your free, no obligation appointment. Call 480-877-1300.